Similar to the data mining is the content analysis. Now, content analysis has been a part of research long before we had the sophisticated computers. And so we would collect the data manually, usually some type of written form, or if it was an interview where the the responses were recorded and then transcribed, and then we would read through the text and try to see where the words were similar, their meanings, and doing all that manual. But now we can use natural language processing or NLP and machine learning that allows us to analyze social media posts, open ended surveys, online interviews, anywhere that people are providing textual responses. We can gather that information and analyze it, and it allows us to determine some of the sentiments, which is then called the sentiment analysis. Or we can see what are some of the topics that are bubbling up as being important, or we can even try to detect some of the intent in these text passages. It gives an overview of themes and insight into patterns. So, the data collection process. Now, once you have an understanding of what is the research methodology of choice in your research design, now you know which population you are interested in. So, once you have an understanding of the general idea of the research design and methodology, now you can start thinking in terms of, okay, what is the phenomenon that I am interested in? What is the problem that I feel drawn to?